reporting on duty. We are live trading, my friends, my amigos. We are live trading on YouTube. We will be trying to catch some pips. We will be live till 3, 4, whatever the market gives us. So make sure you guys do join in. And, catch some pips. Just catch some pips. I'm definitely going to put the screen a little bit lower because the brightness is hurting my eyes. So let's go on the Discord real quick. Alright. But are we live? How does it not show that we're live? Oh, we are live. We are live, right? Any thoughts on what? On what? Yo, what's going on? Buenas noches, mi gente. Alright guys, we're gonna end the stream here. Actually, let me just show you guys live on YouTube at Smart Money Pedigree. Yes sir, that's where we're at. That's where we're at, boys. Make sure you guys join. Make sure you guys join the stream, man. We're live on YouTube, Smart Money Pedigree. Let's fucking get it. Let's fucking catch some pips. Let's catch some blues. Who's ready? Who's ready? I'm ready. Are you guys ready? What? You know what I also have that I haven't eaten? Look at this insane brownie from Chick-fil-A, bro. These smack. If I had to name like the top dogs of desserts and like fast foods, number one, for sure, McDonald's cookies. That does not top anything. Oh shit. McDonald's cookies are number one on my list. Number two. Dude, number two is that this doesn't really count, but number two for sure is like, you guys probably don't know about this, but there's a place here where we live. It's called Pepitolandia. And they put this brownie, this hot brownie with ice cream. Oh my god, that shit smacks. That's another thing that smacks, but you see how we get carried away here? We just talk to ourselves, like literally, why the hell did we start talking about what desserts smack? Whatever. We're gonna be live on YouTube. You guys know how it goes. Don't overtrade, don't over leverage, sexually, and peace. You said FOMC, así sorry, sí, Nicolás. Nico, ¿qué tal, mi hermana? ¿Todo bien, papá? We did trade FOMC, yes, we traded SPX, and we caught some nice moves with SPX. We are currently, our what? Our bot is in some 1% drawdown with some GPUSD sells, man. It's kind of worrying me here, because we are up there, and it's not moving. ¿Qué mercado es esta? I believe it's Sydney. So we're in Sydney session right now. I believe so. No, I don't know, but believe so that we are currently in Sydney. A la hora de entrar, por favor, explica en español. Hágale, hermano. Sin problema. Lo que hacemos sin problema. Aquí para ayudar, compatriota. You guys want to listen to some? You guys know what music I've been listening to? I've been listening to some gas, some. I mean, you guys don't know about this, bro. This is no gringo stuff. This is para los españoles, cuz. Dude, look at that setup here. Look at that setup with DXY. We had this eyed since the beginning of the market. And I'm not bullshitting you guys. I'm not bullshitting you guys. A huevo. Solo puedes caer. Puro quemando que. Look at the XR right here. We had this bad boy marked off since the beginning of the week. Look at that. H4, H4, drop down. Beautiful drop down. What a fucking mount. I still think we're bearish here. No signs of price trying to go up higher. We do have some stuff here that might reject, but doesn't look likely. Because obviously this structure here is from here to here, right? What's up, Nico? Yeah. There we go. What a beautiful FEG here. We still have this that might get filled. It looks like price just wants to go higher here. We still have this to rebalance up here. Looks like that's where we're gonna go for today, for gold. Looking at structure, we had a nice decline, push up higher. We still have some stuff that could get filled down here. Maybe. Maybe. It was clean how, look at this H1 FEG that we covered yesterday, Iraqi, this bearish FEG, and then respected it to go higher. So bearish FEG, respected it, and then push up higher. Very clean, man. Very clean. Acapulco. I think we might have a little decline over gold, rebalancing this right here. Obviously, a lot of liquidity here. Price probably gonna drop down, rebalance this. So I might be looking for a little bit of a BOS here soon. We already had a nice little sweep here. Let's see if price does want to give us a BOS. Obviously, still respecting structure. You can see how here we have this demand respected, price drop down, respect out of this demand as well, right there. Boom. And then now looks we have the last one here. We want to see a break of this. Big compound. What am I for la calle? This also makes, this is good right here. We have this FEG here. Could be something to drop down from. Uy, botella. Sheesh. Man, boys, we got verified on Instagram. Let's go. That's huge. Yeah, hey. Oh, look at that FVG right there, man. This is shit that we're eating shit on, you know? We fucked up here again, bro. Obviously, it's just not gonna hold. We sweep the liquidity. We could have just grabbed that to take price drop down there. Oh my god, dude, I'm so mad. M2 right there, or high point or low, or high point or low. And still hope there, obviously. Still come up to this. M3, but I'm nothing there. M4, nothing there. M2 makes sense. How much for the stop loss here be? We're looking for the lows right there. This could be a solid little 2 to 1, right? Taking right here the lows, and then expecting price to come back down right here. Oh, it's beautiful. It's a nice little 2 to 1 right there. Beautiful 2 to 1 if we can actually mitigate that. So risking roughly what? Risking roughly 7 pips to make 15. Oh my god, what happened here? Oh my god, look at EU, bro. Jesus Christ. She doesn't want to stop here, eh? This looks interesting. Price drop down here. Looking like doesn't want to reject out of any of these FPGs here. Down close right there. It makes the most sense for price to drop down nowhere, I would say. You know, this isn't, I don't really like it. This makes more sense over here, and then maybe down there, even there, still see some very liquid rejection. Other than that, I would not be touching this. But going back to that, we could definitely try to catch some moves here if it presents to us. So we just broke out of that shit. We have this. Todo bien, parcero, todo bien. Todo bien, parcerín. Oof, look at that M5 hit right there on gold. It's not looking like price was to drop here, right? Not at all. Not at all, my friend. Not at all. So, what does that mean? Does that mean we could capitalize on this? It sure as hell does. Nice rejection there. M1 right there. Filled this. Filled this. We're gonna break out of this M1 structure. Once we break that, we can capitalize on some longs here. Boom. Up to here. I'm gonna break out of this, obviously. Once you break that, nice mitigation point here. We want to see an FEG kind of happen here. We did break out of this FEG, so that's interesting right there. Ooh, we're gonna make one right there. No, we're not. That's it. Pero no sé si so coming at OB on gold, it's there, but I don't know what it wants to do yet. So either we break out of structure here, so we partimos esta mierda, o si seguimos bajando, cuando rompa esto, ahí ya podemos capitalizar en un short hasta por abajo, por acá, for sure. It's all about being patient now, though. Ahora la pregunta es que no sé, because we also have this, right? But once we hit this, we have clearly broken out of the FEG. Well, not really, right? But yeah, we've broken out of it, so for sure, this is the last step that I need price to reject, is kind of this M5 based FEG here. So Let me mark that out for you guys. We have this M5 right here. This is what we need to break before we can try to start shorting this, for sure. And if we don't break that, then we can be looking for some longs, but is a question. We still need a break out of this, the supply zone. Puede que no te haga falta nada, aparentemente nada. Agua de vacaciones. So, you know. Falta nada, aparentemente nada. Agua de vacaciones, situaciones. Aparentemente nada. Agua de vacaciones, felicitas. Para que yo vea. Yeah, I'm jamming today, man. I'm in some jamming vibes. No. It's looking like a broken FEG. Let me tell you guys real quick. This shit's looking broken Zozo. Broken Zozo. Alright? Not broken, it's looking broken Zozo. So, this is looking interesting for the Zozo right here. Right here, you got this, boom. You got this. Boom. That's what you got right there. You got right there, guys. Look at that. Beautifully, perfectly balanced FEG on top of the FEG that's balanced report looking for the longs. Beautiful. Now, what trigger is in? I don't know. But we do have that. We got that. Boing. Dude, I was watching yesterday the funniest shit on TikTok. I was dying of laughter, bro. This looks more pleased. This looks more pleased here when we have on top of that breaker candle right there. Very sneakily right here. We got that break right there. And we got the FEG right there. Place at the M1. And we could just play it safe going for these lows on here. And that will be right there. This is melting. This is taking a fucking melt city complete poop control there. Let's see if I can actually make the M2 FEG that I want to see. We have M1. We don't have M1, so that's not valid. What about M3? We have the M3 happening in 36 seconds, so that could still be something, right? We don't have anything on 5. We definitely have newfound structure though. So that M3 can be taken. We just have to. We already broke this, so that's broken. We just have to see what's gonna happen here. You know, we're gonna make an M2 one, or we're gonna make an M3 one. What's gonna happen here? Because obviously, if we put our FEG here, we have to play it safe and put stops above right here, right? So that's out of the picture. That's out of the picture. Um, the M21 is out of the picture. M31 is still valid. This is looking pretty nice for me. Not gonna lie to you guys. So we'll be taking that right there. FVG right there. Uh, uh, well, I didn't even take that. Sells, stops, target the lows right there. Shit. Stops above this a little bit higher. Make it 10 pips, sorry. 10 pips, 1978.62, and then TP at 1975.046. That's it, that's it, that's it right there. That's a setup. That's a setup, guys. That is a setup, man. Is that a sell? Yes, it is. It is definitely a sell. I hope it's a sell. That's what we're hoping for, right? I almost bought a single port. I almost bought a single port. Man, I'm catching vibes today. Come on, you know you broke this shit. Don't you dare. Oh man. Oh man. That is definitely not what I want to see happening there. Singapore. I don't know, this could be hitting this, bro, right? This is the last thing that I was a little bit scared of. So obviously this is the big leg of structure. Fuck me, man. The thing is that we broke out of M5, so how strong is M1 gonna be compared to M5, right? That's a bigger question here. I don't think it's that strong compared to M5, but obviously we had this low point that led to this high point right here. It's all about being patient now. Fuck. Alright, cool that. Fuck me, man. So looking like a stop loss, guys. It actually did break out the structures I wanted to see. So we could still capitalize on some longs here, right? We just need to make sure that price now shows us its hand more in depth. You know what I'm saying? It's all about being patient now. It's just gonna fucking pop, bro. You know why? Because it just broke out of this breaker here. So if we got a little bit of heavy G here, that made sense for us to continue this longs here. Damn, bro, that's crazy. We literally had this setup, bro. We literally had this setup here. We just should have been patient. Honestly, that was my bad because I should have waited for a full complete break of this. It didn't really break this, you know, and I should have been more patient in that sense. But we're making structure here, you know. Price could still drop here, and we have the opportunity to capitalize on these longs here. We have this M3 right here that's pretty nice. This looks pretty solid to me. This M3 FEG that we can see right there. And then on top of that, we have that breaker now right under it, right? So this could be something because we just rejected out of this M5 or M1 level. We could try to go higher there, obviously. Hopefully we don't take 2 losses in a row because we know how the rules go. We take 2 losses in a row. Today we're definitely gonna stick to the rules, you know. 2 losses in a row and we're done for the fucking day. So let's keep this shit going here. We won't take it up. Don't worry, guys. We're not gonna take 2 losses in a row. We're not going to. We're gonna murder this fucking markets. Gotta get back for yesterday. So we got the M4. I like the M4 a lot. I like how M3 looks a lot. Actually, a lot. Looks pretty clean here. Hit the lows. Just don't like the RR. Is obviously not even there. But if you put a little bit lower there, down to this breaker, right there, you could hit the 2-to-1. Briefly fine. So that's a nice little 2-to-1 right there. That will get me up. I'm sorry, 1%. So not 1.5%. Sorry, it won't get me up 1.5%. It'll get me up 0.5% because we lost 0.5 already. So this will only get me back up 0.5% for the day, which is fine. You know, it's just a process. But we're about to get triggered into it, though. We're about to get triggered into that. Let's see if we can actually trade this here. God damn it. What a fucking pop, man. Oh, it's so annoying, brother. I'm so annoyed right now. M4 making a nice FEG here, though. Price does drop down. This is something that we could definitely look into. What about buying your USD? That shit is just popping, bro. I don't really like the way, but those double tops right there, damn, that looks juicy. Let me tell you, these double tops right here, oof, that shit looks like, it looks like. Is there an emoji here that I can use? Literally, this is fucking icing on the cake, but this is what this shit looks like right here. A double top right there. Damn, that shit gonna get smacked. I wish I would have seen this earlier, bro. That's clean. Look at that. Drop down, imbalance, price pushes up higher, grabs the liquidity right here, gives you an OB with a plus FEG. How did nobody catch this, guys? God damn. You guys didn't bother mention this to me? Bro, we would have been 50 lots deep on this shit. Holy fuck. Damn, brother. I mean, honestly, I'm lying to myself because it wouldn't have even triggered me in. I would have been so heated. You know, we like went in that 50%. It wouldn't have even triggered me in. That would have been tough. That would have been tough. Fuck, gold is going, man. It's so fucked up. M2 right there, though. M2 right there, though. You guys see that M2 right? M2 right there, though. That's looking clean, baby. M2 continuation. M2 continuation already made that bullish leg right there. It should continue going right here. M2 right there. And if it rejects out of that, then we're gonna obviously come down to test that this H4 right here. So we have that hope and then we have this one. But we can just play it safe here with this M2 leg right here. 18 seconds to go. Should be a nice little FEG poised. And then you got that OB on top of that. So nice little 2-1 right there. Move stops a little bit right there. 2-1. Perfectly fine. 2-1. Fuck, dude. Fucking gold. What a fucking dickhead, bro. Doesn't want to trigger as an end, dude. Go ahead. Fuck. Fuck me, guys. Los alitas. As long as you don't take those highs, it's still valid. So, I hope you guys know that, right? You know what I'm saying, players? You guys know what I'm saying? What do you bet that M2 right there? That looks clean. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it, baby. Who's in this gold buy? I got in it, bro. I said fuck it. If this shit goes without me, it's not gonna happen again. I said fuck it. So I'm probably getting like a 1-1 here, but I don't give a fuck, bro. It is what it is. Let's go, baby. Let's go, guys. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Oof. Let's go, baby. Surprise of what? Don't tell me that. Ah, what the fuck, brother? Oh my god, what a pop, dude. Dude, what a pop, guys. Look at those equal highs. Jesus Christ. Look at how clean that was. Jesus Christ. And then gold over here with the pop skis. Beautiful TP right there. Banger. Banger. That's what that was. A banger, guys. What do you guys think is gonna happen now, eh? You guys think we're gonna have a little bit of retracement for London, or what's gonna happen here? That's where I'm interested on, because we obviously just had a big sweep here. There's huge liquidity. Price might want to rebalance down here, right? This M5 right here. But when you definitely start seeing some breaks, because we are at a premium now, so this could be a sign of we start breaking out of these levels, then maybe we could capitalize on some short here. Maybe, right? Maybe is the key word here. A lot of liquidity from both ends, you know what I'm saying? I'm about just being patient now. Let's see. Damn, look at this pop. What a fucking pop, brother. I start seeing shit broken, bro, honestly. At this point, with these fucking pops, Jesus Christ. Dude, I gotta put that banger again, guys. Fucking banger. You guys know about this banger right here. Dum, 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 dum. Damn, dude, what a pop, bro. Banano. Dude, oh my god. Oh. This is crazy, guys. We're not even in session, bro. We're not even in session. Look, we're not even in session. Yeah, I do. I have a 100k. I have a 100k MFF. I have a 100k. Sorry, a 200k of FCFF that we're trading. We stopped trading that. Right now, we're currently taking an FTMO challenge that we are up 5%. And I can show you guys that right now. Let me just put it up here on the side so you guys can see that, because I didn't show you guys that how that's going. I shared it on my live, but I didn't share it on my. Oh my god. So let's see this. Let's see this. Let me show you guys real quick. So here is the FTMO account that we are taking. We are up on it 4.8. We're up on it right here, and you guys can take a look at some of the trades down here. We had $731 as the maximum loss, and then we had 4.8 as the profit target that we're currently on. Damn, my shit's lagging. My shit's fucking lagging, dude. Sorry guys, I was trying to show you guys the chart, but it's really laggy after Timo here, so I don't think I'm able to show you, but whatever. Basically, we're at 4.8. Let's get back to charting, because this shit's too laggy for us right now. Fuck, that stream is very laggy. So look at EU, bro. We need to see this break. Once this breaks, we could definitely be looking for some nice declines here. Because there's just all of this shit, liquidity, bro. Literally. Liquidity place at the bottom. And if we're looking at anything to get filled, it's this big ass void right here. So, for sure, once we can, respect something or give us a clean solid break out of structure, we can be looking for some nice decent shorts here. It's not ideal PR right now for us to, try to do anything at least. As of now, of course. Shit. Pero yo di mi cuenta de fondo ayer, te cuenta que qué triste. Qué tristeza, hermano, pero toca seguir dándole, ¿sabes? Eso va a pasar. Toca seguir dándole. Gotta keep working, guys. It happens. When then accounts come and go. What doesn't come and go is this knowledge, So make sure you guys understood why you guys lost that account. Si sabes por qué la perdiste, mirar qué fue lo que hiciste mal, qué fue lo que pasó. Pero siempre hay retorno a eso, ¿sabes? O sea, tienes que enfocarte a ver qué fue lo que hiciste cerrado. Porque obviamente se pueden pasar. Pero todo bien por acá, Polito, todo bien. You guys want to continue this bullish momentum right here? I think we can, brother. I think we definitely can right here. Let's continue this bullish momentum, guys. It doesn't want to break shit, right? Why not? Keep shit coming. Keep it coming. Right there. Boom. FVG. Little breaker. There's a big ass breaker from this down close. You could take that right there. Continue this bullish momentum here, guys. Let's get some longs here. Bro, sing a song? What song do you want me to sing, brother? What song do you want me to sing, man? There it is, there she goes. All she wrote, baby. All she wrote. All she wrote. All she motherfucking wrote. Here's with the Rejectocito. That was ice cold in the veins, man. That was not it. What you guys know about that new artist coming up, Young Miko? My Spanish people? Oh. Ando claro, tengo un problema. Es que ya no me puedo. Y también aquí. Yeah, yes. Bro. Muévelo, Lisa, siempre en la Patricio. La Lisa. Lisa. Y también aquí. Colectivo. Duro, duro. Camila con su hermana. Yeah, this is gonna melt, guys. What? That's just gonna melt. I'm gonna close this. Probably gonna melt all the way down to over here, guys. I'm expecting it to drop here. So the music you can start Muslim have Ramadan now? Yeah, I'm not stopping my music, bro. Just, I'll stop it. You know what? I'll stop it. I'll stop it. I'll stop it. I'll stop it, brother. I'll stop it. Jesus Christ, man. You can know you could just go on a thing here that says mute or just take your volume off, but I'll stop it for you. I want to be respectful to your religion. But I have no idea what that means. But still, it seems like you want me to stop the music, so I will stop the music. Alright? I will stop it. Anyways, looking at structure here, very interesting. You know, the way that we're making these FPGs here. We clearly broke out of this displacement leg. We did feel this already. Price most likely probably shouldn't continue going higher. Looks like price just want to give us a nice decline here. Nice little breaker here. This FPG. This could be something where price from here then drops lower. I am going to keep my eyes on this because obviously from here we have our first leg of structure right there. And then from this low to this high, we can be looking at roughly at 38.2 to then drop down. Could drop down from here is what makes the most sense to me. Right here, because obviously here's where people were trying to buy from before, right? So what I'm thinking is we'll probably go up to that, this FPG right there, and then from there we'll most likely have the power to then drop or decline. And looking at M2, we have that M2 right there as well. M2 also looks very interesting. M3 not much yet. M4, M5. M5 is gonna be interesting here as well. I do believe we're gonna have a nice decline here. There's so much liquidity below that we haven't grabbed yet, right? So much. So looking at M1, this is what makes the most sense to me. Just depends if it does want to mitigate that, obviously. M2 just looks, this doesn't look like a FEG, it makes more just like a nice little gap. I don't like when I see FEGs without candles, you know, like any wicks. When I see FEGs, I want to see wicks, so like this. When I see this like empty space here, that doesn't look like FEG to me at all. It just looks like a void that it has to fill, you know? For example, this is a void, not really an FEG. This is an FEG here because you can see there's two nice candles with the wicks there. So, just too choppy for my liking. You know, FEG here would be this one. That could be where you obviously place your entry, but it's you're trading it obviously at a premium, you know. Do I have a bigger sum of a breaker here? Here's where you grabbed all the liquidity that price went up from. We did break out of this, so we're above that level that we obviously declined. That's interesting. The price should most likely continue free falling now, at least down to this over here is what it looks like to me. That 1975.00 mark is where I see price dropping towards, realistically speaking. This looks very fucking choppy, bro, honestly. M5 looking poised to make an FEG soon. I really do think we're gonna have a decline here. Just the way that we kind of sweep liquidity above is very interesting. The way we're going up higher now is not so interesting. Looks very bad. Our last FEG right there, that could be the last target. Now do you want to take that? You could take that, right? The way that we kind of went up towards it is just not convincing at all whatsoever. I hate these sweeps of liquidity where we're getting stopped out from and that just continues going. It's really annoying me. It's already happened to us twice with gold, right? The first short and the second short here. This one just didn't really make much sense to me, you know, because we did break out of everything. At least it seemed like we did. It seemed like we broke out of this last M5 leg. Looked pretty bearish to me. I don't know where this is coming from. It really does suck though. Which is every FEG? I don't choose every FEG, you asshole. You didn't want to decline that. So I hit this one. Looks like this demand and supply is obviously looking like it's gonna break. You might just go higher now to take off that liquidity above. The only problem with this is that it's just confusing here. When we dropped down and broke out of this looked more like a break of structure, you know. This looked more like the legs that we were forming now, which this one this low, this high to this low, right? So this made sense for price to continue dropping. Obviously looking like we're gonna have a little bit of a bullish sweep above before that can happen. Looks like we are rejecting out of that last supply, sorry. It is hitting that FEG there. We definitely want to see that broken. We want to see a sharp decline out of this FEG. If it does give us a sharp decline out of this FEG, then obviously this did hold this FEG right here, we need to have a sharp decline down lower to confirm the structural break. Oh man, it's actually respecting out of that level that we did not want to see it respect. That's unfortunate. Very unfortunate, guys. Pepperstone, sí se puede conectar to view. Yes, 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 you can. Come on, gold. Come the fuck on. You can do it. I want to see for gold. I would like to see this broken. So I would like to see, like I said, I would like to see. We have our first leg. This leg doesn't convince me too much, so I want to see this broken. And once that breaks, like we actually have a clean sweep, then I'll be looking for some nice, decent sells here. You know. For right now, it's just not ideal. Obviously, got chopped up in this buys here. So we took one win. We took one win, which was the gold. We took a loss, which was the gold longs. Top got short here. We got impatient here. Price dropped higher. We took that FEG here. That was profitable. We took the gold longs here. We tried to rebalance price. It was breakable. It broke out of the levels that people were trying to buy from, and now we're making a bearish leg here. So once we confirm that bearish leg, we can definitely continue taking some sells here with XUSD. It's all about being patient, I know. All about being patient, guys. Alright, gold, come on. Break off that lows. Break off that lows for us, and then we keep that shit going. Once we break off that lows, we have confirmed new structure. We could definitely be looking for some continuation there. After we break off that low, for sure. That's the main priority right now. Ten minutes to go. 10 minutes to go. Agressivo. Oh no, 10 minutes ago. What am I talking about? What even? I forget that this is the wrong session. We have a full on fucking hour to go for session to actually start, because we're not even in session, bro. Oh my god, I keep forgetting that we had that time change. So here it's a different time than what it is. That I think it changed like last Sunday. So New York session was actually at 4, and now we have fucking session happening at it was at 3. Now we have it happening at 4. So we're still in pre-session. That's why that shit's so slow. Keep forgetting, bro. I keep forgetting, guys. My bad for forgetting, to be honest. This thing should at least melt at least down to this right here, right? At least. And that can be a target that you have focused on once we make lower time frame liquidity, of course. This is nothing. This FVG doesn't mean squat until we make a lower low point. When we make the lower low point, then the FVG can be meaningful to us. But as of right now, it's nothing. It's squat. Though I do think that we're going to drop down to 1975 at least. And 77 looks decent, but I believe we're going to have a bigger decline here. I don't think it should hold this. We're kind of overbought. We did push up higher. There's a nice little trend as well that I think a lot of retail traders are going to be looking for, which if you guys really look at it, it's been holding for a very long time, right? So that trend line should be looking to break fairly soon. We could have a nice little decline happening with gold. Faster, sooner than later, you know? Come on, gold. Give me the fucking mount. So I hit 4-hour zone. Interesting. Very interesting. Oh my god, bro. Fucking go, dude. That's such dog water the way this shit's moving. I don't want to trade, bro. I'm like annoyed at how slow this shit's moving. If this does not move at 3, I'm gonna call it a session. We'll be back live tomorrow at what? Tomorrow we'll be back live at New York. I mean London, and then we're gonna trade New York the day after. So we're gonna fucking be working. You know what I'm saying? Well, we got 6 minutes to go. See if market actually wants to do anything, and then from there we'll decide what we want. Fucking slow, bro. How slow is this shit, man? How slow is this shit? What do you think of what? What do you think of what? I think gold doesn't want to fucking move. That's what I think. Oh shit, is there news, guys? Oh, 4:30. Not right now. Not right now. Not right now. Price is moving. Oh shit, what amount? Yes, sir. Alright, here's what we gotta be wary of shit. Here's what we gotta be wary of shit. What is price gonna do? Are we gonna get a complete break of structure here? Because if we do, we could be trading this. Or are we gonna hold out of this FVG here, right? Here's where it gets interesting. Once we break this, then the structure is not bad anymore. But we need to see a clean break of structure here. I'm not waiting for the FVG break. I'm waiting for a clean structural break. And if we don't break that, then I need to see an M1 shift here. So price showing me something that maybe it wants to go higher here. Like that. You know, that's reasonable. That makes sense for price to go higher there. Just hit a little FVG here. Let's see if that wants to hold. Not any trade, guys. I'm not in any trade. I'm just monitoring price right now because it's a little choppy. Structure is still bullish. You know, nothing yet for us to say, okay, let's go short here. Just want you guys to know that. We're clearly respecting out of the M5 FEG as we speak. Once we break this, we have broken out of M1 structure, so we could continue now to try to catch some longs here. Especially we'll make some type of breaker formation here. And it's looking like that's what we're going to get. Of course, it's all about being patient. People should be selling here, right? That's the other thing. A lot of people should be trying to sell this. You can see how clearly we're respecting out of this M5 demand zone here, right? We still haven't tried to break anything yet. Demand is just holding. Demand is holding. Demand is holding, right? Demand is holding. What's actually breaking? Supply is breaking, right? So, taking note of this push right here. I'm going to keep my eyes on some type of FEG where we can take price back up to these highs up here. Continue with this bullish PA. There's still nothing clean that I can tell you guys, like a clean FEG. Oh, sorry about that. Let's move that over here. FEG here in M2, right? It's interesting as well. See how this reacts. We got a clean break of this. ¿Qué pasa que no te veo? Nice little M2 FEG happening right here as we speak right now. Like that right there. That makes sense to take these longs here. Broken out of that demand zone. Price could try to come down and mitigate that, and then we could have a nice sweep up higher. The reason that we'll take a different type of leg of structure is once we are looking for a break. So for example, here we have lower leg, lower high point, lower low, lower high point, lower low. That's a break of all down to this obviously FEG here, right? No FEG just yet. Smaller one right there. That's valid. So here are the longs here. We're looking to target the highs again. We could honestly drop it down for a nice little 2 to 1. Well, we can leave the highs there. Just put stops a little bit safer here. As I only take 2 to 1s, so we'll leave it right there. And I just got triggered into that. Let's see now what price wants to do from there. Well, that's an unfortunate move right there. That's not looking too good, right? That's definitely looking too good. Oh, the FEG was a little bit too ambitious, I think. Honestly, a little bit too ambitious from the M2 part. We do have not a really clean BOS here. Not really, just a did respect out of this supply here, as we can see. I just barely sweeped it. We still have the hope of the M5, of course. You know, M5 is still being respected. So this M5 FEG, clearly nice wick rejections there. So this is still valid for us to kind of get ourselves from. And I guess we'll just be looking at that now, seeing if price does in fact want to continue going higher from that rejection of this M5. It's obviously looking like a structure, like I keep telling you guys. We are respecting out of demand, not supply. And this could just be another little small mitigation for price to go higher. Interesting EUR USD melt here. We broke out of the FEG, that kind of made sense, but we are still at that discounted zone, or at that demand zone here. This down close candle. We would like to see price completely give us a break, maybe give us a new leg of structure. You know, this is still not confirmed. So once we break out of this, maybe tap into this, and then drop down lower, give us a new leg, and then we could definitely try to go for all these voids down here. Gold looking nice now, right? A little bit of rejections, looking like a little bit, but if bullish P actually did pan out here. Looks like it respected out of this small OB here that we had, plus M1 here. Can mark that off if you want to. Can mark off the liquidity that was here as well. All of this is found liquidity. I really would have wished that it would have made a nice FEG here once he rejected out of that OB. Still not getting that though. Ah man. Very choppy PA, to be honest. Very fucking choppy. What choppy as PA, bro. Nice rejection here. Gold, I mean EU, out of this OB that we discussed. Very choppy for gold, man. Very choppy. Oof. Come on, gold. You motherfucker, bro. We might just get subbed out here. I feel like we might. I'm not gonna be happy about it, but we'll see. But this shit just might not move the entire session, and then London we might have that big pop. We might, just might. Oh my god. I have Nemo, dude. Might. Fuck. Come on, God. No. Not like that. Don't move like that, brother. That's ice cold, man. It's not even funny, bro. My god, I think that we're gonna get like wicked out here so bad. I think we're literally gonna get wicked out here, so I'm gonna take a risk here, trade here. Just hold it. Literally, I'm just gonna hold it. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna believe in this M5 FEG and this OP, and if it doesn't hold, well then we'll call it a day, man. So right there, Stops just right above it. I know the RR is pretty trash, but what can we do, guys, right? I just moved it myself. I guess I really think it's just a nice little hunt, you know? Nice little hunt. So far so good. Looks like a little hunt of liquidity here, right? So far so good. We never mind a nice little hunt here like this. Just want to see price now. Obviously go higher here. Don't go lower. Just that's it. You already hunted liquidity. Just give us a pop, man. Fuck, dude. Ooh, look at EU. Boy, do we have a treat here. Boy, do we have a treat here with EU, guys. Perfectly placed FEG on top of the break of structure right there. EU, guys, EU M1 plus M5 right here. And then this monitor gold here. Fucking gold, dude. Come on, brother. And the EU just wants to pop like this. Painful days, guys. Painful days. Come on, brother. In the session? Yeah. Of course. Fucking gold, bro. Fucking gold. I'm still saying for gold. Fucking gold. That's messed up, man. It's really messed up for gold to do it like this. And I really think it's gonna be a sweep. I'm like, oh my god, I just don't know what to do. It's looking more like a sweep when it does drops like that and then it doesn't completely take it. That just literally looks like a sweep to me. And it's doing shit like that. Just telling you. Listen, we're gonna stop you out, but after we stop you out, we're gonna pop. I want you to know that. Look at that. Oh my god, that was a close call. See what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying, guys? Let's go, baby. Close call, man. Very close call, am I right? Very close fucking call. Jesus Christ, brother. It's such a close call that I don't like this shit, and I'm gonna actually just call it. Oh my god, look at EU. Look at that EU trigger. Look at that EU trigger, guys. Jesus Christ, who got in that? Who got in that EU trigger? Tell me you guys got in that EU trigger. Oof. Look at that fucking pop. Look at that M1. Beautiful. What a trade. What a banger, dude. Tell me you guys got in that EU trade, bro. I didn't get in it. I didn't get in it, but I marked it off for you guys. Tell me you guys got in it, please. Tell me you guys got in the EU, bro. Because that shit is clean. Man. That thing is clean, guys. Tell me you guys got an EU, please. I'm begging to know that you guys got an EU. If we break, or once we break this high, we could definitely be at break even here. So once we break that, you'd be at plus break even, and you let price do its thing, man. Oof! Look at gold go. Wait for London Star. I gotta wait for that shit. Fuck the London Star, man. You know who's the market maker? I'm the fucking market maker, baby. Let's get it. Fucking London Star. Come on, baby. Let's go. Alright, guys. Market is just really choppy here. I think we're just gonna call it a session. You guys can definitely hold some EU longs. This will be stop loss. And gold longs, that's just gonna pop, man. I don't care what anybody says. I'm gonna hold that shit till it hits stop loss or TP. It is what it is. I'll see you guys in a bit. You guys know how it goes. Don't overtrade. Don't leverage. Start trading. And peace. Peace, peace.